What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just picked up the Z06 C5. It's a 03 50-year anniversary edition. Man, this car's such a blast. Super loud inside. Just even driving in the city, like under 2,000 RPM. It's loud, can barely hear myself talk. And I guess the last owner said on long test drives he usually brings earplugs, plug them in, because it gets too much sometimes. I had Skylines, Evos, STIs, 350Zs, 370Zs, Nismos. Guys, those are all for kids. This right here is a man's car. So much power, Z06, 405 horsepower, stock, but this guy done some things to this one, so it's probably sitting around 450, he said. So it's so much torque, so much power, it's all there. You just step on it, don't have to wait for nothing, it's all there. It's so crazy. It's so much fun. So raw, so beefy. Love it. So actually last night I ended up picking up this one as well. It showed up for sale here in Linwood, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes from my house. So cheap, I go pick it up. It's a 03 50 anniversary edition, same as the Z06. But this one's not the Z06 base. It is a, what do you call it, manual, stick shift, 6 speed, so that's kind of good. T-top that comes off, glass roof. So pretty good price. It is a rebuild title. I think like 59,000 miles, actually 49,000 miles. I paid 7,500 for this. And that one, Z06, the same year, 03, I paid 15,000, including some bonus drag slicks, spare set of rims. And that one's a clean title, but it's 110,000 miles. Stick shift, Z06, 404 horsepower on the Z06, and this is 350. So what would you guys pick if you were to buy half price for this, half a price what that cost, the Z06? What would you get? Leave a comment, let me know. I think I would pick the Z06 still. It's of course double the price, but yeah, you can definitely feel when you drive it.
monster, there's some things that I might see. And when I do, I could never get no sleep. So I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted. clean it out. Man, you won't go see my vision. I'll be in it. I'ma kill it. I'ma take it all. Coming in. I'ma play it now. I'ma kill him, dog. I'ma play the ball, cause I get it. Gonna get him, and I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it.
Oh, hey guys, also don't forget, drive safe, keep it clean. Some of this filming was done on closed roads, private property, and I think we even took a plane the other day to Mexico, so just keep it clean, you know, be safe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, like, subscribe. We got a bunch of more videos coming out. I'm a car dealer. We do test drives, reviews, different sports cars, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.